Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on grayscale mode on your Mac. This setting transforms your display so everything appears in black, white, and shades of gray, a useful feature for accessibility or reducing screen distractions. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps support the channel. Thanks. Let's get started. First, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and choose System Settings from the drop-down. Once the settings window opens, look for accessibility in the sidebar. It's located under the General section. Go ahead and click on it. In the accessibility menu, scroll down a bit and select Display. Here, you'll find a section called Color Filters. Click to expand it. Then, from the Filter Type drop-down, choose Grayscale and toggle the switch to enable it. The moment you turn it on, your entire screen will shift into grayscale. Everything will now appear in muted tones of black, white, and gray. If you want a softer effect, you can also adjust the intensity slider to make the grayscale more subtle. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully enabled grayscale on your Mac. If this video helped you out, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe for more simple and helpful Mac tutorials. See you in the next one.